This episode's all about getting your mic sounding great and Zoom set up right. Make sure your microphone is connected to your laptop using the USB-C cable. If it's not plugged in yet, go ahead and do that now. Let's jump in. And we have a USB-C going straight into the laptop and then straight into the bottom of the mic. For your setup, we've decided not to use the stand just because we felt like it was a little bit intrusive, and this is a bit more just easier to move around and it's just slightly smaller. To access that, we basically go into Zoom and go to the audio settings, and we just select Rode NT USB Plus, and then that will basically pick it up. Automatically adjust microphone volume, we want that. You could pick this if you wanted to get into the nitty gritty of it, but for Zoom that would be more than adequate. Mm-hmm. On the microphone itself, we have two different wheels. Now it's going to vary for each person in terms of how loud you are. Okay, so if you're quite a loud person, then obviously you would dial this back.
Yeah.
And if you're not a loud person or a quiet person, you would dial that up. And then this is your headset volume to listen. Yeah. Now this should be picking us up now.
My name's Kirk Bowyer. I am from Mini Athletics.
So I'm just turning up the feed, and if you carry on talking.
Mini Athletics is a class for 1 to 8-year-olds, and we have classes across the UK and the USA.
Perfect. So I've now just set that up based on the levels that you just gave me. Everyone is going to have different levels accordingly. So you just need to play around with that until you feel like the levels are optimum, but not going too far that it sounds distorted. Zoom has some slightly hidden audio settings, and it's not easy to see when your mic is peaking. That's when it's too sensitive and the audio gets distorted. To check it, click Test Mic. Then speak into the mic and listen back. If it sounds clean and crisp, then speak into the mic and listen back. If it sounds clean and crisp, and the levels sit around the middle mark, you're good to go. But if it sounds like this,
which will go to the extreme of the microphone, which will definitely won't.
Your input is probably too high, so lower the level a bit. As a general rule, keep it in the middle, then tweak slightly to the right if you're soft-spoken, or to the left if you're naturally loud. And that's kind of what we're after. We've also got a pop guard on, and that's our audio pretty much set up. Now you could put this on a stand if you wanted it closer, further away, but that's going to give you great results.
Great.
So yeah. And that's it for your audio and Zoom setup. Your mic's connected, Zoom's dialed in, and you're ready to sound clear and professional. See you in the next episode.